warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back in my channel YouTube Ian Blue 78. It's just opening. I don't know what I have to say. Well, ladies and gentlemen, today I will go to Jaddih Hill, and in Indonesia say Bukit Jaddih. Actually, I was there before, but it was last year, and now it's 2020. Yeah, I was there before, and also today I want to go to there again to see look like what I have to say. Things to say. just keep watching on my channel, my video, and if you like or if you feel my channel informative, educative, and also interactive, don't forget to press like, share, and subscribe. And also don't forget, beside of the subscribe there is a bell, so if you like to press it, just press it. Bukit Jaddih is one of tourism attractive in Bangkalan town. Is from Bangkalan, it take about in the Bangkalan town, in center town, it take about 15 minutes. It's not really far from Bangkalan center. So don't go anywhere, just stay tuned, watch my video until finish. Alright, I will go there by motorbike with my friends, and also the video I will use my drone. I will make video on the ground and then on the sky too. Let's go. Okay, here we are. We are in Bukit Jaddih already, or we are in Jaddih Hill already. Like we can see behind there. Actually, the mining is still in progress. See, there is a truck there, but it's only some. No, not all of them. See, there is a truck there behind me. So it means the mining is still in progress until now. So later on I will use my drones. It's quite a long time I didn't use my drone. I want to see this mining in hill, Jaddih Hill, from air. All right, let's check the other side. Let's go. do you call that, lake here. It's made by local people here, but the water lake, it will be filling if in the rain seasons. But if dry seasons, the lake, it will be dry, no water at all. I think it's good for, what do you call that, Instagrammable, yeah. So just for information, just now when I get to this tourism attractive, they called what do you call that, Jaddih Hill. We have to pay for the entrance there. We have to pay 5,000, and then there is another ticket when we get to here. There are about 10,000. Actually, there are many tickets here, but even though it's cheap, but that's okay for that. And 5,000, and then I have to pay again 10,000. And then if we want to go to lake, we have to pay about 5 or 10,000. Later I will ask. And also, oh, no water. Actually, you can see that. Let's see. Actually, there is should be a swimming pool here. So this is the unique one. There is a swimming pool in the middle of the hill, but no water today. What's going on? It's closed or what? This swimming pool, but no water today. Okay. And also, just for information, the meaning is still in progress until now. Let's check. Check. Jaddih Hill. Oh yeah, I would like to give you another information. If you come to here, much better you bring the sunblock, because it's quite hot here. Not quiet, sometimes very hot. Or you bring umbrella, and also glasses too, and masker, because if in dry seasons it's very dusty, so you need a masker to cover your nose, your mouth, and also bring money, of course, to buy your food here. Okay, this is the small information I have told. Jaddih Hill. That's about a review of this tourism attractive or tourism object today. Just I would like to remind you again, if you come to here, you have to pay at the first entrance door there. You have to pay 5,000, and then the other entrance door you have to pay for 10,000 for that. And then if we want to go to there, down there to the lake, you have to pay 5,000 each person. And also, I think for the swimming pool you have to pay 10,000 each person. I think because the swimming pool is no water inside. Well, thank you very much for watching my channel, and don't forget, if you think or you feel my channel is informative, educative, and also interactive, don't forget to press like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget the bell to ring. You have to press it. Well, thank you very much for watching my channel. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you in another video from channel YouTube Ian Blue 17. Bye.